Hi, we're Mike and Allie Carter, and we are first-generation potato people with Bushman's Inc. in Roswell, Wisconsin. We specialize in fresh market potatoes.
Today we get to share with you one way that we enjoy using potatoes, and we are going to make breakfast tacos. So one tip before we jump in though, do want to share that even though potatoes are so easy to make, it's nice to just peel a bunch and boil them in some well-salted water, and then you can keep them in your fridge and use them over the next 2-3 days for recipes such as this. So this will come together super easy. So what we did is we put them in a pan and seasoned them with some salt, some pepper, a little bit of cumin with some butter and oil. We fried those at a high heat so that they get nice and crispy on the edge. And so Mike, you want to start assembling our taco?
Do I?
All right, some of those delicious potatoes first. And then we just top this with some chorizo sausage that we had browned. Delicious. And then we have some shredded cheddar cheese, because we're in Wisconsin, you need cheese on everything.
That's what we do.
That's right. Some chopped cilantro and some chopped green onion. And we'll top the entire taco with the sauce that we made that came together really simply, and that is just plain Greek yogurt, a good squeeze of lime juice, some garlic, some salt and pepper, and some dashes of a hot sauce depending how spicy you like it. So, you want a taste test? Let
I
us
do.
know.
I'm the official taste tester.
You are.
That's delicious.
It's approved.
Yeah, I'll eat that.
All right, well, thank you everyone for letting us share one of our favorite ways to use potatoes with these breakfast tacos.
Keep eating potatoes. We'll grow more.